So yo, what's up guys, this is Karthik and welcome back to Codeonon. So guys, in the previously video we have discussed about exercise 3 solution, and in this video we are going to discuss about something interesting in Python which is called enumerate method. So before getting late, make sure that you have liked this video and subscribe to Codeonon Docs channel. So let's get started. So guys, first of all you have to open your PyCharm and then create a new file with the name numerators.py as usual. And then guys, before writing some codes we have to know something about enumerate method. So guys, basically the enumerate methods adds counter to an iterable and return it as an enumerate object. So guys, this is syntax for enumerate method. So you have to type enumerate method and then you have to pass some parameters. First parameter is going to be iterable and then second parameter going to be start with the number 0. So guys, this is the syntax for enumerate method. And guys, now let's discuss about these parameters, iterable and start 0. So guys, the iterable, a sequence an iterator or object that supports iteration. And then guys, the start parameter is an optional parameter, starts counting from this number. If start is omitted, 0 is taken as start. So guys, now a value return from enumerate function. So guys, as we know, the enumerate method adds counter to an iterable and returns it. And guys, the return object is known as iterator object. I just mean iterator object. And guys, you can convert enumerate object to the list and tuple using the list and tuple method respectively. So guys, now how enumerate method just wait a second guys, methods work in Python. So guys, we have to write some codes to understand it. So guys, first of all we have to create a list, and inside that we have to add some car brand name. So in this case I will type Lamborghini, and then I will type Bugatti Devo actually, and I will type Mustang GT. And guys, after that you have to type enumerate car is equal to enumerate and then car, enumerate method and then car, and then you have to type print and then type inside that you have to type enumerate car. And guys, run this program by clicking on this run enumerate file. You can see guys, the class is enumerate. And guys, now converting just wait a second, converting to list. So guys, now we have to learn how to convert this enumerate object to a list. So guys, for doing that you have to type print and then list, and then you have to type enumerate cars. And guys, after that you have to type changing the default and counter. So okay, let's comment out this and again run this by clicking on this run. And here you can see guys, the enumerate object is printed in the form of list. So guys, now changing the default counter. So guys, first of all you have to type enumerate car is equal to enumerate, and then you have to type car comma 10, and then guys you have to type print and then you have to type list and then enumerate car. So guys, this 10 works as index number, not index number, it works as a serial number, you can say that. And when I run this program again, so you can see 10, 11 and 12 serial number is given to all the cars name. And guys, now looping over an enumerate objects. So guys, let me comment out this. So guys, instead of commenting out this, we can create a new file, and that file name gonna be enumerate enumerate2.py, and guys here you have to type looping 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 over and enumerate object. So guys here you have to type car is equal to and then car brand name. So guys I will copy this and then paste it here, and guys after that I will type a for loop, and here I will type item in enumerate method car, and then I will type car something like this, and then I will type print just wait a second guys, print item, and guys after that I will type print and then \n to give the space between these outputs. So now I will type for loop again something like this, and then I will type count comma item in enumerate method car, and then print count and comma item, and guys after that I will type this print \n again something like this, and guys after that you have to type changing the just wait a second guys, changing the default start value. So guys you have to type here for loop, and then you have to type count comma item in enumerate method, and then you have to type car and comma 100, and guys after that you have to type this print count item something like this, print count item, and you have to run this program again. First of all you have to save this file and again run this. So guys you can see Lamborghini, Bugatti Divo and Mustang is printed with the serial number 0, 1 and 2, and after that you can see Lamborghini, Bugatti Divo is printed with the serial number 100, 101 and 102. So guys in the next tutorial we will learn something more about Python. So for that, bye bye, see you later and take care.